It's so weird. You've been sleeping the whole time. No. Dito kami sa ilalim ng puno. Come here, let's go in. I'll bring it in. Hi guys, I just want you to hear this scam. Good morning. Oh, what do you think I'm doing right now, guys? What do you think? If you know me, you probably know what I'm doing right now. And I want the camera to focus on me because that's what I want. Anyway, guys, if you know what I'm doing today, it's already morning. It's 7:18 in the morning, and good morning to all of you. And yeah, I'm put the camera closer, which is I like it so much when my face is closer to the camera like this. But yeah, I have a morning breakfast. I'm cooking my breakfast right now, so you guys should watch it. Boom, boom, boom. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, this is what I have because pancake is alive. Pancake is alive. There's a lot of pancake right there, still there, and this is what life is. I'm doing cutting the butter because I am putting butter right there, and that's what I do. And put the heat a little lower because it's burning to you. What happened? It burned. It burned. The butter burned. Holy cow! Holy cow! Anyway, guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. My tummy is working today, and the pets, the dogs, as you said before, they eat. Well, probably you don't see that, but they ate already. The cat, the poop, the pig, the sure. Yesterday, guys, it's been thundering, afternoon thundering. It rained and then thunder and rain. Stop like that, and Sammy love it. And anyway, that right now there is sun this morning, but I don't know, guys, if you can see. It's still nice, even there's no sun, it's still very nice outside. And I hope you guys, if you're watching, good morning to you. Pancake is Hub's favorite, so right bug? Right, somebody's jealous is coming. Don't step on him. Kiss your brother. Kiss your brother. He loves it. How do you know Hub is your name? It's confusing to me. But I was talking to my cousin very quick. It's just a quick talk, and it's like a messenger video call, something like that. And then I saw my parents. It's been a long time I haven't seen them because we don't really do video calling on. I let the dog out because oh my god, they're making noises. Roxy just make too much noise that he can't even control himself. He make too much noise, and I'm hungry. So I said, let's go downstairs. I'm gonna let you out. Let's go downstairs. I'm gonna let you out. You know what I'm gonna eat? The sinabawan. Yung nilagang baka. Ito yung kakainin ko kasi gutom ako, guys. Ipipiyong ko muna tong mata ko, guys. I have to close my eyes first before I'm going to drive. It's kind of sleepy. Yep. Oh, it's 2 o'clock already, guys. I haven't I don't started my thing yet. I don't even go to Walmart yet. I guess I'm gonna go to Walmart. You guys wanna go out? Come here. It was raining hard this morning in the city, and yeah, so yun lang, guys. Okay, Mama will be right back. I don't have a house key. Luckily, I checked my wallet and unlocked the door because I forgot. I really thought the key is in my wallet, But luckily I just like, oh, I'm not gonna lock it yet because I have to check if the key is there. But I unlocked the door to make sure that if just in case if it's not on my wallet, it's not in my wallet, I can, you know. Ay naku, hinahangak ako nito. Okay, before that, punta kayo dyan. Ilagay ko ito. Ano ito? Before that, I'm going to text my husband. He's very quick. I just texted him and then there you go. He just opened it. Anyway, he's so quick. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm just gonna go run to the Walmart. Ito. I have to go that I can, and then I still have to remember what I'm gonna get because you know there's so many things and I don't have a list. I don't have a list to what to get, and I'm just gonna think what I need to get. Like I don't know, I'm gonna text my husband later what I need. But anyway, I will see you later. Bye. Okay, andito na ako sa Walmart, guys. I'm here at Walmart. Thank you. I get out in there, guys. Okay, guys. Tapos na ako nag-grocery at saka hindi ko na lang kayo dinala doon kasi nagmamadali ako. Palagi naman ako magdadala. I always in a hurry every time I go to the store. I kind of just doesn't like to spend time in the store. I don't know. I don't like spending time in the store like crazy. And so I'm going home, guys. Yeah, it's so hot and I have milk over here. And I don't want milk to be spoiled, you know. And it's really hot. Hold on, guys. It's not joke. It's so freaking hot. This is what I got for the dogs. I got bones because they need it for their teeth. It's been a while that I don't get a bone for them. And I get chayote for me. There and that one, we don't have that. And that's really it. And milk and creamer, and that's it. That's what I got and nothing else. Come here, let's go get your bones. Come here. Iba talaga itong aso. Yung aso kapag hindi nila makikita yung color. Black and white ang ano nila nakikita. So yun. Dito lang pala. Hindi niya nakita. Hinahanap niya kanina. Rox, look! Rox is coming. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Kanya. Dodge. You see it? Oh, you just screw it. Where are you gonna put it? Huh? Bring it inside. You wanna bring it home? You wanna bring it inside? You're still tired, my love? Are you still tired, my baby love? No, wait, baby love ni mama still tired. It's so weird. You've been sleeping the whole time. No. Dito kami sa ilalim ng puno. Come here, let's go in. I'll bring it in. Come here. Come here. Go inside. Inside. go in. This is Roxy. This is Roxy. This is for my Roxy Rock. Yeah, I'm going to defrost fish, I think. Let's see kung meron pa bang fish. Kasi palagi kong nagmi-meet eh. So, ang anuhin ko naman isda. I know we have isda here. Okay, andun sa baba yung isda. Yeah, the fish is downstairs. I have to defrost it early because I have my dinner early. Nakakaloka talaga ito, guys. Sa previous vlog ko ba, yung ina-upload ko previous vlog, yung parang may tao doon sa ano, nagtatakot tuloy ako dito. Tayo na afraid na. Yung sa Arik ba? Saan yung isda? Wala namang isda. Tingin kayo sa likuran ko ha, baka may tao. I don't know where's the fish. I know we have fish. Oh, it's right here. This fish that I'm cooking, guys, a wild skinless. I like flounder. I like flounder, you know. You keep talking so much. You talk so much. Look, she wanna go out and bring the bone. Look at her face. She have the bone on her face. Look. What do you want? Fine, I let you out. You crazy little dog. I love you, crazy dog. Dadalhin niya yun sa... doon siya magkit-kit. Doon pala siya magkit-kit. And Miss is kit-kitting her thing too. Do you know that Roxy is more conversational? She do a lot of conversation to me. Yeah, she is very conversational. She convert. Nagko-convert. Na conversational ba? Ano ba yan? Let's see what she's doing. Hi guys, I just want you to hear this scam. I just want you to know that there is a scam. If you live here in the US, and then if there's a voicemail like this, look, listen to this, guys. I want you to hear this one. Hold on. Okay.
Messages to notify you that IRS has issued an arrest warrant against you. Right now, you and your physical property, those are being monitored, and it's very important that I do hear back from you as soon as possible before we proceed further in any legal manner. My direct callback number is 20. Worded messages to notify you that IRS has issued an arrest warrant against you. Right now, you and your physical property, those are being monitored, and it's very important that I do hear back from you as soon as possible before we proceed further in any legal manner. My direct callback number is...
So that is scam. That's really a scam. Scam is everywhere nowadays. I'm just gonna start cooking this chayote of mine. Kiko man yung ginagamit ko, guys. Yung garlic, guys, parang napa-fry na siya. Yun, sobrang bango. Sobrang bango niya. Matubig-tubig siya kasi when you cook chayote, it's always release a lot of water. It's not a lot, but it's releasing, you know, it's kind of watery. Yung opo, guys, it's one of my favorite also, especially if you cook it with sardines. Ito, guys, yung fish. Dito ko na rin siya marinate. Season na marinate. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, yun lang. Hi guys, sinong nagsabing hindi ako kakain, ha? Sinong nagsabi na hindi na ako kakain kasi mataba na ako? No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, ito yun, guys. Sinong nagsabing hindi ako kakain ng rice? Ito, rice at saka chayote. Maraming rice. If I want more rice, there's more rice over there. Saka ito yung pinafry ko na flounder. Sarap niyan guys. As in, fry talaga, crunchy-crunchy sa labas. At saka ito yung sili na mahalang na dipping sauce. So, kain tayo. Gusto nyong manunood, kakain ako. Ito yun, sige. Lagyan natin itong sayote. Oh my god! As in, sarap. No kidding guys. Sobrang sarap niya. Kulang man mag-isa. So, dito na rin ako kukuha. The flounder. The flounder daw. Lagyan natin ng manghang na soka. Sayote guys. Ay nako. Sarap talaga guys. Uy. Alam nyo ba? Ang sayote is kinda more the same, have the same taste, almost the same taste with the upo. Nako. Yung flounder guys, you should try flounder fish. Sarap as in. Hi guys! Yeah, it is 8 o'clock already. I just went editing the video. I just edit the video and yun lang guys. Wala na akong ginagawa. Okay guys, kinikiri ko lang tong laptop ko kasi I'm gonna edit video right here. This is what I do all the time guys. I edit the video, I done, I recline the chair, and there you go. Here, edit video. Ano nang time na yun? 10 o'clock already in the evening. Hurry up bag, I have. This is what you guys don't know. I have this. Natutulog na ako guys. Look at yung pusa eh. And Tommy just called me and I'm gonna call him back. He hung up on me. I said, "Hon," he says, "Hon, you're not really talking to me, honey." I said, "I'm watching some Criminal Minds, hon. It's kinda interesting." And he said, "Hon, talk to you later, hon." I said, "Okay, hon." Okay, hon. Oy. Bukas na lang kitang mamahalin sa paglipas ng araw. Yes, I know. Look at this, guys. He's... Ouch. You're so cute, bag. Look at this. You want to play with mama. Come here, yes. Ay, pinangga ni mama. Uy, love mama's little boy. Uy, ito. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog and yeah, I'm just going to end this vlog and I will see you tomorrow kasi maglalaro pa kami ng pusa ko. Look, she's coming. Come here, Bugs. Yes, Bugs, come here, Bugs. Oh, not my camera. Hey! Ay naku, he used it like to rub his face. He rubbed his face like yung lubot mo, Bag ba? How's your lubot? He's so adorable. If you guys are here and then you know you touch him, you carry him, he will let you and then he will just like lovey-dovey with you. He's so loving. Anyway guys, I'm just going to end this vlog and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.